Hi everyone, welcome to Pediatrics is Fun. Today we'll be talking about anthropometry, which is a difficult topic for many students, and we tend to mess it up a lot, but we'll make it easy. So going on to the head circumference. So at birth we have 32 to 34 centimeters, and in 0 to 3 months it increases by 2 centimeter per month. At 3 to 6 months it is 1 centimeter per month, and at 6 to 12 months it is 0.5 centimeter per month. So if the examiner asks you in 1 year how much centimeter does it increase, so it's 12 centimeter in a year. Alright, so from 1 to 3 years it is 1 centimeter at 6 months, and 4 to 6 years it is 1 centimeter per year. So another question, when can a child wear his father's hat? Intending to say when does he have the adult head circumference. So that's around 6 years. So that will be around 53 to 54 centimeters. Well, you can measure your head circumference. Next we'll look at the weight gain. So the birth weight on an average for an Indian population is 3 kgs. At 0 to 3 months it is 30 grams per day increase. 3 to 6 months we say 20 grams per day increase. 6 to 9 months 15 gram per day increase. 9 to 12 months another 12 gram per day increase. At 1 to 3 years it is 8 grams per day, and at 4 to 6 years it is 6 grams per day. So similarly we have the length, how it does increase. So as you all know, the length at birth is around 50. 0 to 3 months it is 3.5 centimeters per month. 3 to 6 months it is 2 centimeters per month. 6 to 9 months it is 1.5 centimeter per month, and 9 to 12 months it is 1.2 centimeter per month, and 1 to 3 years it is 1 centimeter per month, and 4 to 6 years it is 3 centimeter in a year. Now going on to the weight gain velocity. So birth weight, yes, at birth we already said it's 3 kgs. By 4 months it becomes double. Now this is a very favorite question for the examiners, and it's important too. At 1 year it becomes 3 times, at 2 years it becomes 4, and at 3 years it becomes 5 times, and at 5 years 6 times. After that it becomes quite simple. You remember at 7 years it becomes 7 times, and 10 years it becomes 10 times. So there goes your weight gain. Another trick to remember, your length doubles by 4 years and it triples by 12 years. So at birth it's 50, and at 6 months 66, 1 year 75, 2 years 87, 3 years 94, and at 4 years it becomes 100. Now there is another rule of 2 and 3. So 2 kgs per year till 6 years. So that is how the weight increases from 2 years, and after 6 years it is 3 kg per year till puberty. Similarly for the height, if we see, it is 6 centimeter per year after 2 years till puberty. Okay, so that is done. Now we'll go to the growth velocity. So in growth velocity, it's in the first year you have 25 centimeter per year, and in the second year it's 12.5 centimeter per year. The third year it is 6.25 centimeter per year, until puberty it is 6 centimeter per year. Now we have seen all the anthropometric indices. Now we'll try to see how to interpret. Now whenever you're writing an exam paper, what happens is you are asked to interpret your anthropometric findings, and it is very important because this can help you determine whether it's an acute malnutrition, acute on chronic, or chronic. I'll take a class on growth charts later, but right now we'll just see the interpretation and how do you come to a conclusion. So if your weight for age is less than -3 standard deviation as plotted in the WHO growth chart, which will be less than 5 years. So if that is that, then this is underweight. Similarly, if height for age is less than -3 standard deviation, it is stunting, and if weight for height is less than -3 standard deviation, this is wasting. So this is how we classify malnutrition based on the above indices. So if your weight for age is less and your height for age is less, but you have a normal height for age, then it is acute malnutrition. Alright? And how do you know if it's acute or chronic? So if your weight for height is less and height for age is less and weight for height is normal, then it is acute or chronic. And how do you know if it's chronic? when all three parameters are reduced. So this is how you have to write in your answer sheet also. Now in the second part we will be talking about your various age independent anthropometric parameters, and I'll also give you about the various upper segment to lower segment ratios. So this we'll see in part 2. Thank you.